Hi guys, this is lesson 82, part 3. I'm going to try something new today, so let's see if this Jamboard is what it's called, if it'll work and if I can write on it and see what that means for us. So let's see. I don't want to see my face though. There we go. I don't think you can see my face anymore, which is okay. So let's look at these word problems. So let's look at, we're going to work these problems out. Some are going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So let's take a look at this first one. It says, Fred weighed 24 pounds less than Jim weighed. Jim weighed 128 pounds. How many pounds did Fred weigh? Well, let's see. I know I'm going to make my arrow because it's adding or subtracting. So there's my arrow. Let's see who is bigger, Jim or Fred. Fred weighed 24 less pounds. So I'm going to put my F here. Let's see if this will work. It's not writing very well, is it? F and my J here. And then my 24 here. That's not very good too, is it? So now I know, though, that Jim weighed 128 pounds. So I can cross the J off and put 128. Now you know that when you don't know one of the small numbers, and you have a big number and a little number, to find that, you know you have to subtract. I'm not going to do that here for you. I want you to go over and do it on a scrap piece of paper, and then you'll put it back in on the Google slide for the answer. Okay, so let's look at B. There were 106 vehicles. 12 of the vehicles are red. How many vehicles were not red? I really think this is, again, an addition or subtraction problem. So I'm going to draw my straight arrow. And let's see. So my number family should say that there are 106 vehicles total. Right? So that's my total. 12 of them were red. How many were not red? So if I could say the vehicles, they were red, these were not red. So once again, I know to find this small number, I know I'm going to subtract. So my problem would look like 106 minus 12. Once again, you're going to go back and you're going to do that on a scrap sheet of paper, and then you are going to put your answer on the Google slide. So let's look at C. There were 5 people in every car. There were 45 people in all. How many cars were there? So let's see. Ooh, I think that's a multiplication and a division, or a division problem. So I'm going to make my arrow this way because that's what I have to do if I'm multiplying or dividing. Did I say add and subtract? I didn't mean that. I meant multiplying or dividing. So there were 5 people. I'm going to put my 5 here. In every or in one car, there were 45 people in all. How many cars were there? So when I'm using multiplication or division and I'm looking for this small number, I am going to divide. 45 divided by 5. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's look at D. Each can weighed 3 pounds. How many pounds did 15 cans weigh? I bet that's a multiplication. 15 times 3. So you're going to go over and you're going to multiply 15 times 3. Awesome.